Hi, what's your name?
My name is Jack.
How are you today?
I'm great, thanks.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where do you live now?
I live in Paris.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love playing football.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy drawing and watching cartoons.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Loli.
What's your favorite subject at school?
I like English.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
Tell me about your family.
I have one sister and a little brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.